Reel that rod up. That's good. Put that one back in the rod holder. Y'all want to watch this chaos? Red ain't gonna show it to you. It's a good fish, though.
Hope you feel that. That ain't no bait. Ain't no bait, I promise you that. Biggest fish been on your boat. I hope so. I'm telling you, dude, it might be a flathead too, the way you dog it. I know that. That's a good fish.
Flathead. Lay him down, Mark.
Oh, there's a new PB on the boat.
Oh, that's a blue, ain't it?
Personal best for the boat. So my PB 62. Pretty good fish though. We'll weigh him, that's for sure.
I figure 35.
He might be 38. That's 4.40.
Are we still moving?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. As long as we're moving.
Tear it out so the grips are counted for. Oh, run the nuts!